प्रेमानंदे। नमामि नंदनंदन। नन्दनं नमामि नन्दनं नमामि
মানন্তে এটা খুব ভালো সুর।
হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে, হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম
about. I'm so happy to come here in New Bridge, and also from so many parts of so many countries. Senior devotees are here. So we are fortunate here. This month is also Purushottam month. Purushottam means Krishna is Purushottam, and this month is actually Krishna month, Purushottam. In all carnations of Krishna, Krishna is himself. So this month is also supreme in all months. Like Kartik month and this month, Purushottam month. So we are also fortunate that we are here. Oh, in New Braja, also nearer to Giriraj Govardhan here, Shyamkund, Radhakund and all are here.
Peacock are dancing there.
Oh, here Vrindavan himself has appeared. So many peacocks, so many things. Here, all reminding us in Vrindavan. We should think that in India we observe this Purushottam month in the presence of Purushottam, in Purushottam place, Kshetra, Niladri, in Jagannath Puri. 1 month there. Observing some rules and regulations. Very in morning at 4. Here 4 is what? In India like 6. And so India at 4 they will wake up. All. Those who want Krishna Bhakti and those who want to observe this Purushottam month. We also, from beginning of Purushottam month, we are observing here also. There are so many rules and regulations we are maintaining. In India, we will not have no shape. We will not. But I am not telling that you should do or not. It depends on yours. Not so strict, because Swamiji has given some concession to Western devotees. They can follow by always hearing Hari Katha, by all these things, which they can easily maintain. So try to get up at least at very morning and then putting tilak, doing all Sandhya in morning, Guru Gayatri is given to them. They should always with faith and awe, they should begin these things. They should see Arti, or if they are making Arti, they should. And if not, then they can go to, here we have temple in Nirgun's house, Mangal Arti. And if the devotees are so far away, then there where they are residing, they can do Arti there and maintain. Then some kirtans, and in morning kirtans, as we do Guru Bandana, Vaishnava Bandana Kirtan, Gaur Nityananda Prabhu, Guru Parampara, like this. And Hari Hare Namah Krishna Jadavaya Namah Jadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya. In evening or you should make all arrangement that we should do. Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, like this. Tulsi Parikrama daily, where you are, or some water, even 1-2 drop, but keep and do Parikrama all. Do the Parikrama Kirtan of Tulsi. Without the mercy of Vrinda Devi, you cannot enter in the realm of Bhakti, pure. Vrinda Devi and Jogmaya. Jogmaya makes all the pastimes of Krishna, of Mahaprabhu, everyone. So also you know the Praudha Jogmaya, and here is Jogmaya, Purnima, and Srimati Vrinda Devi, especially in Kunja Leela in Vrindavan. After his name, Vrindavan name was given. So without the mercy of Vrindavan Devi, you cannot enter in the realm of Radha Krishna Jugal, or even in Vrindavan, outwardly, you can be on the net of Maya. But if you want to be in Vrindavan, then you will have to take the mercy of Vrinda Devi. So Vrinda Devi, Parikrama Tulsi. At least in this month, you should try to observe all this. And all the kirtans we do, generally you should follow. At the time of taking Mahaprasadam, it should be offered to Radha Krishna Mahaprabhu or any deities. And then with the Jayadhvani, Sarira Vidyajal, Jadindriya Dahikal, Jiva Phale Vishay Shagare, तार मध्य जीवाती लोहमय शूद्रमती ताके जेता कठिन संसार कृष्ण बड़ा दयामय करीबारे जीवा जय स्वप्रसाद अन्न दिलो भाई शय्यम नामृत पाओ राधा कृष्ण प्रेमेडा को चेतन है. You should not take Mahaprasadam, you should not eat Mahaprasad, never you should try to serve. You should not chant Hari name, but you should serve Hari Nam. You should not hear Hari Katha, but serve Hari Katha from your ears. Don't go to see devotees, deities, never. Oh, I'm going that he may see me. You cannot see. No, you cannot see deities. So with a prayer that, oh, you should see me. You should give me your mercy. I cannot see you. If I will see, I will see you like a statue or any prathar.
Stone.
A stone like any golden or copper or brushes, anything. So Krishna is not like this. Mahaprabhu is like not this. So in this month, you should try to observe with rule and regulation, so that our this month will be successful. At least here on Sunday we will make some festival for Giriraj Govardhan. Try to be prepared from today. Some dry preparation should be done from even at least not less than 360 kinds of preparations should be done. It depends on you all. You should from today, you should try to begin. And how we can do Giriraj Govardhan in the last Sunday, because so many devotees will more come. And those who here make a committee like this, that any devotee coming from distant places like Miami, Hawaii, here and there, they should be maintained well. They should be hosted with gentle, sweet words. In India we have no problem because we have universal Latins and everything. International everything. But here there is some. But I think that here will be no problem because there are so many tents living here and you are maintaining. But still you'll try to look after them very politely, even with sweet words. Like you, Mula Prakriti and Nirgun Prabhu and others are. And in what name? Prabhu? Govindapal, you, Nirgun Prabhu and Brajendra Nandan Prabhu and so many are. So you should try to look after their problems. Now I want to begin my classes. First, I'm doing the first slok of Srimad Bhagavat today. And then I want to come the sweet pastimes of Krishna. Because first in Srimad Bhagavatam it has been told that once when Kali Yuga was into begin, very beginning of Kali, so many lakhs of Maharshis and devotees, they were assembled at Naimisharanya, very posh place. And they were thinking that how to save from the effects of Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga is so Yuga that no cause, nothing, but all will quarrel together. Wife, husband, brother, father, son, mother, son, daughters and daughters, all neighboring, no cause, but yet all will quarrel. Kali Yuga made some misunderstandings that we will be bound to quarrel. Even we will quarrel with our mind and soul also. So what to do? And they were thinking. And at that time, Ugra Sabasuta, the son of Lomharshan, inspired by Baladev Prabhu himself, and also he was direct disciple of Srila Sukta Goswami. He came there. They respected all. In them, so realized devotees, Shaunak and others, very good devotees. They are asking to Sukta Goswami that you are so learned and you are disciple of Sukadeva Goswami himself. You know all the essence of all the Shastra, everything you know. You are perfect. So you have some questions that Kali is coming. What should we do? Then first of all, and how our soul can be happy. Jayatma samprasidati. By what process? Less minded, less intelligent, having less time, always so much problems, difficulties, sorrow. Also their age will be very short. So for them, what we should do? To make please the soul, Jayatma samprasaditi. So you are so much learned and qualified. We believe in you that you will certainly save us from Kali Yuga by pastimes of Krishna. We know that there is nothing else to save from Kali Yuga except the very sweet and powerful pastimes of Krishna. Then he became, Sukta Goswami became happy. And he first, Janma dasya jataha anvayadi taratasya abhigya artho abhigya swarat tene brahmridaj adakavaye muhyanta jat suraya tejo bar mridam jata jatra binmayo trisargo ambrisha dhamna swain nirasta kohkam satyam paramadhi mahi. And he began to. So, first of all, I should pray to my spiritual master, and then I will begin. Ajnanatimirandhasya jnananjana shalakaya chakshurunmilitam jena tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyaiva cha पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिशे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नयमामचरणम्। भक्त्या विहीनाय अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयीं त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। चश्मा तो आज क्या ना you have so Janmadasya Jata. I think you should hear very patiently, with deep honor, and try to follow. Where you are not understanding, after class you can make questions. I will try to make more easy. I think that my language is so easy, more than children's. It will, though it is not perfect, but yet you will understand. And these boys will help me something. So, Sut Goswami is doing pranam. To whom he is doing? He is not taking really the name of Krishna. But actually, all these symptoms that he is doing pranam is concerned with only Krishna. Who Krishna? Not of Mathura, not of Dwarka, but combined all, but especially for that Krishna, Nandanandan Krishna, Jashodananda Krishna, Brajendanandan Shyam Sundar. All are included in this Krishna. Why Krishna descended to this world? Why? Because first, or don't work anything, try to hear, listen only one. Now it is my control. Keep up all your things. Not doing what?
Knitting
or anything. Give your ears to me and your hands all senses to me. Oh, only for me, couple of minutes. And after you are free to do. But don't sleep. Don't yawning or anything. Very patiently, very energy you should hear. What was the reasons that Prithvi, Mother Earth, went to demigods And with them she went to Brahma, the creator, externally creator of this world. Like a manager, they went to Brahma and tell that nowadays my 4 legs has been broken. I cannot walk. Also, my husband, Dharma, in the shape of bull, he cannot walk. Now so much seen in this world. The omens, males, females, they are like animals. Also, saintly person, they don't observe all these things. They are more wretched than animals. They can make artificial face, big mala here, and 5 kilos japa mala, very big tilak from here to here. So many artificial things. But always duplicity, making money. So much lust in them. So, also sadhu sannyasi like this. So much problem in all ways. So, please save me. And my husband Dharma, like bull. Brahma became very worried, and taking them all went to Khir Samudra, ocean of milk, and he began to do Aradhana of Garbhodashai Vishnu. And he was in trance, praying him. And in trance he heard that I have known, and my Prabhu, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, he has also realized all these things. He will quickly go away. And all the demigods should come in form of ladies in Gokul, Vrindavan and Mathura. And you all gods, you should come in the shape of Jadu and Gops in Gokul and here and there. He will appear very soon. This one reason. Secondly, it was the time of Yuga Dharma. To establish Yuga Dharma. What was at that time Yuga Dharma? Worshipping of deities. Muslims and others were destroying temples here and there. No faith in deities. So it was also going worst. To save this, and he took Yuga Avatar, Manvantar Avatar, everything in him. He also took Narayan, Ram, Nrsimha, Kalki, Vaman, all in him. And he appeared. Also there were some reasons more. But that reason was that, you know Jai Vijay? They were cursed for 3 births. Now it was third birth. They have become Shishupal and Dantavakra. So Krishna will have to come and to uddhar and to liberate them. So he must come. Moreover, when Ram went to Dandakaranya with Sita and Lakshman, no? You know that history? To अपने पिता का आदेश पालन करना.
Following the orders of his father.
To following the orders, to carrying the orders of his father. He went like a saint, sadhu, to Dandakaranya with Sita and Lakshman. Though he was in saintly form, his hairs were like sadhus, jata, but always teeny in age like 16 years. So beautiful. At that time in Dandakaranya, 60,000 of sages were doing aradhana. Aradhana?
Worshipping.
Not worshipping.
Austerity.
Meditate.
आराधना को वर्षिप भी बोलते हैं.
Worshipping. Not worshipping. You should know that the aradhana word is used by in meditation, serving conjugal or Ram or anyone by any of the mantra. Like they were what doing? Gopal mantra. Gopi Jana Vallabhai Swaha. For 1,000 years they were doing. But they were not like fishes, that if a fish is taken out of water and she will die at once. So all these things, practices were very slow, as your practices are slow. Sometimes doing your Gayatri mantra, some with 9, and sometimes sitting like this. And if you will take all your
thoughts and
then it will be like zero, and you will sleep. Otherwise, all the things will come at same time in the morning. What you have done, all quickly, all coming. Very big problem. So they were like this, weak practice. But when they saw Ram, and when Ram saw towards them, then they had some inspiration. And they began to pray Ram, that you should fulfill our desire. He knew their desires. They want to serve Krishna, conjugal, and they want to be in Ras and others, Leela. Mercifully he told that in next birth I will be Krishna, and there by the help of Yogamaya you will take birth in the from the womb of gopis, and there you can meet me. Then there I will fulfill your desire. So they went on doing practices for so long, from the birth of Ram and up to birth of Krishna, all lakhs and lakhs yug they were doing. You don't think that in a moment you will have laddu, like laddu and rasagolla. You want that, oh Guru Maharaj, you gave me mantra, but still I have not realized that I am in Golok Vrindavan, I want to go just Vrindavan. You know, Valmiki Rishi, he took initiation from Narad, and he did austerities very hard for 60,000 years, and then he was realized. And you don't want to follow all these things, chanting your mantra. If Gurudev, Swamiji gave you initiation of Gayatri mantra and months, oh, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 1 month, 2 months you did, and after that you became weak. especially after his desire and you departure and you left it. You have no faith on these months. You will have to practice. It may be that 2, 3, 4, 5, so many births may come. But we have hope in this Kali Yuga that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to sprinkle his mercy. So we can be some hope, we can hope that very soon we can be realized. So don't be worried that you are, go on practicing like the Dandakaranya Rivasi. And then they came into the birth of in the womb of gopis, and they became gopis. And after that, they did worship of Katyayani for a long time. And then Krishna came, and then they were fulfilled. So this process will come. But you should go. One pointed Krishna bhajan, doing all these things. So for this Krishna came. Also there were some rishis and sadhus. In all the Rajkumari, princess of Janakpuri, when Ram went there and they saw Ram, oh, they were shocked. When they saw that Sita was married with Ramchandra, they have a very strong desire. Oh, if I am married with Ram, then it will be very good for us. So we want Ram that he should be our husband. We will not marry now. And they never married. So Ram was pleased and told that you should come in Dwapar Yuga by the womb of gopis. You know that once Narad was going anywhere, and in the way, the two sons of Kuber, Manigriv, Nalkuar Manigriv, they were playing with so many asparaj. Asparaj, you know? Heavenly girls. Naked, drinking wine. Oh, shameless, totally like trees and stones. Narad was coming through that path. The girls became ashamed, and they folded their hands and they took their garments, and they were doing far away, they were praying to Narad. But these two persons, oh, totally mad, drinking wine, like trees. And they were abusing the girls and also to Narad. Why this old man came here? And he disturbed everything. And he was also abusing. Narad became very merciful. He thought that he is friend of my friend.
Sons of my friend.
Huh?
Sons of my friend.
Oh, sons of my friend. Kuber was his friend. Shankar was his friend. He was going to Kuber. So he saw that his sons like this. I should punish. And that is why he gave a course that you should be tree. You are doing like tree. Behaving like trees, as you should be tree. And at once they were feeling that, we are going to be trees. Then they fell flat on the Lord's feet of Narad. Then Narad told, yes, what I have told, it will not be untrue. It will be true. But you will be tree in Gokul, where Krishna is going to take birth and doing so much sweet play. So he will touch you and then you will be
Delivered.
only not that. You will be have bhakti and you will be
Associates of Krishna forever.
you will be associate forever, transcendental associates of Krishna. So Krishna has to fulfill this thing. Also, There are so many hundreds of
स्वर्ण
cause.
सीताओं की इच्छा पूर्ण करना.
Oh, Ramchandra, in his last day, he told Sita to quit his palace. And she left that place and he was alone in Valmiki ashram with his 2 sons. There she gave birth of 2 sons. Ram told to Vasishtha, because he was feeling so much separation. Though he was in palace and Sita was there, for any cause that king has left his queen, but Ram never left his dear Sita. So he was there, but always remembering Sita. So Ram was not passing his days. That is why he told to Vasishtha Maharaj, Vasishtha, that I want to do some fire sacrifices, Ashwamedha Yagya or any Yagya. Allow me. That you cannot do, because you have left your wife. You should bring and sit with your wife, then you can do. Oh, it cannot be. Please make any other arrangement that I can do. Oh, your father has married 360 wives. You can marry again. I think that in whole world there are so many beautiful ladies. They will very easily. They will be married, ready to marry you. No, I cannot do. Then you cannot do sacrifice. Oh, please arrange anyhow. Then he told that you make a golden Sita, a statue, and with that Sita you should sit there and you can do. Then each year he used to make 1 Sita and to do fire sacrifice. And it was established by mantra by Vasishtha and himself Ram, so they used to be alive. When Ram was going to Ajodhya in his last days, after his pastime, then all came and they told that we want to all go with you and to always be with you. Then he told that in this pastime I cannot accept anyone except Sita. Only Sita will be there. But you are now so many Sitas. So now you should go to Vrindavan and take birth from the Ombab Gopis. And there I will manage everything. I will fulfill your all desire. So for this also.
लक्ष्मण की इच्छा पूर्ण आप आऊंगा तो बड़ा भाई के रूप में आऊंगा.
And also that Shurpanakha, Ram and Lakshman cut their nose. She wanted to marry Ram, but Ram is desire tree. He must fulfill his desire, her desire. So he accepted her, but he cut his nose and that anyone in this life should not marry her, because they used to make from Maya some beautiful shapes. So anyone can marry. So if I have accepted, anyone should not accept in this life. And next life he became Kubja, crooked with 8 parts of his body. So anyone cannot. Face was so beautiful, but all the bodies were very crooked. So anyone cannot marry her. And when Krishna will come and touch her, then she will become very straight.
Beautiful.
And then his wishes will be fulfilled. So for this. So, so many stories. It will take about 10 days to explain all this. So there were so many reasons for Krishna. Also to make Ras. Upanishadchari Gopi, Upanishadchari Gopi. Upanishad mantra well became like ostriches to become Gopi. With Gopal mantra and Kama Gayatri. Very high class of powerful these mantra. So never neglect. By doing so, accepting Gopal mantra and Kama Gayatri. All Upanishad mantra became like Gopi in next birth. And Krishna accepted them. Jautaki, Ajautaki. Ajautaki.
Those who were in groups.
In groups or alone they were doing. Once Krishna and Arjuna were going anywhere. Krishna told that Arjuna, that oh, I'm so thirsty, bring water from anywhere. Arjuna went and saw that some birds are coming and going that way. And he reached to Jamuna and saw Jamuna was flowing so
Sweetly.
and water was so
Pure and
Pure.
clear.
But he saw that there was a old lady, hairs all
White.
white. And he was in trance. He did parikrama. Oh, don't anyone sleep. Don't sleep. Sleep will come, but try to check, control. Sit like this. Sleep will not come. Then he saw a old lady.
Parikrama.
And he did parikrama and he.
Do pranam.
After some time, this lady came in sense. Then Arjuna told, Mother, who are you? And why you are in this place you are doing? Anyone is not here. On the bank of Jamuna you are doing. What you are doing? Mercifully she told that, I am here in this place from lakhs and lakhs years. I am here. I want to be a gopi in Vrindavan and to serve Radha and Krishna conjugal. Narad was pleased to give me mantra of Gopal mantra and Kama Gayatri. I am doing aradhana by this mantra here. Then Arjuna returned to Krishna and told this fact. Then Krishna came and he gave his mercy, Vardhan,
Benediction.
benediction to her.
জিজ্ঞাসা করলেন তুমি অর্জুন তাহলে কৃষ্ণ কোথায়?
Huh?
জিজ্ঞাসা করলেন তুমি অর্জুন আমার বরদান আছে অর্জুন আর কৃষ্ণ আসবে তো কৃষ্ণ কোথায় তুমি একা এসেছো? তখন
So, there are so many things that Krishna came. Now he is praying, Janmadasya jatah anvayadi taratasya abhigya swarat teni brahmarida. Though there is no name of Krishna, but it all applies to Krishna, to Brajendanandan Shyam Sundar. He is doing pranam satyam parama dhimahi. I am meditating. Parama satya. What is parama satya? Param satya means
supreme truth.
supreme transcendental truth. What is that? Only one. That. And he is himself Advaya Gyan, Partattva Krishna himself. Not anyone other. So Janmadasya Jatah, from whom this all worlds are created, who supports and nourishes. And after this, whole world with all entire creation enters in him. Janma dasya. Janma, sthiti, lay. Creation, what?
Sustenance and destruction.
And everything from him. In jato anvayadi, anvay and vyatirek. What is anvay?
Direct.
Direct and indirect. In easy way I am telling what is Anvay, direct way. Krishna has 3 Shaktis, powers. Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti, Maya Shakti. From Chit Shakti he creates all transcendental worlds like Golok, Vrindavan, Vaikuntha and all. And the shapes of all like Krishna, Baladev, Nanda, Jasoda, Gopis, all transcendental shapes by which Chit Shakti. And then all the souls, liberated soul and conditioned soul from Jiva Shakti. And then from Maya Shakti. Maya Shakti is not like zero. His power of Krishna. He creates all lakhs and lakhs Brahmans. All. So these are direct. But what is indirect? That all the souls are Chetan. Conscious. Chit. And this Maya is
Inert.
like
Inert.
Inert.
jar.
Inert.
Inert.
Yes.
Inert. But even being Maya, and she covers Jit Chetan Padartha. Very strange thing. Jiva conscience. And Maya inert. But still, how? It is wonderful that it is covered with this insert Maya. This is a strange thing. It becomes by the power of Krishna, which is kartum, akartum, anyatha kartum, everything. What? What is possible? What is impossible?
Makes possible.
Make possible.
It makes possible
makes
everything, which is even not possible. So this Shakti is Parashakti, only one Shakti, but it comes in the shape of 3. Also, Hladini Shakti,
Sambit Shakti.
Shambhi Shakti,
Sandhini
Sandhini Shakti. So many things. So by this, Anvay and Byatirek, this world is created by Krishna. Swarat, Abhigya, he knows, he is expert in all creating and destroying and supporting and nourishing. Very expert. Anyone is not expert like even Ram, Nishinga, Kalki, Vaman, all comes from him. So he is Adi Purush. Sarva Karan Karanam. Ishwarah Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadirad Govinda Sarva Karan Karanam. Then Tene Brahmhridaja Adakabaye. Krishna himself gave in the heart of Adi Kavi Brahma. What he gave? He inspired Brahma, Sabda Brahma. Transcendental, everything all the knowledge of Krishna and Jivas, Maya, everything, Tene Brahma, in the heart of Brahma. Oh, all the gods, demigods, cannot know all these things. Only he get inspired in the heart of Brahma. Tejo bar mridang Jatra Vinamayo, Jatra Trisargo, Amrishad Dhamna Svain Sada Nirasta Kokam Sattam Paramadhimahi. Tejo Bar Mridang. There are 3 things in this world we can see. 3 kinds of creations. Tej, Vari, Mridang. Tej means fire, and then
Bari, water.
Water, and then
Mrida,
earth. Here Tej has been told for Krishna. Tej. Fire sometimes you can see anywhere fire. By
rubbing anything.
rubbing or by
Match.
matching, you can see. But fire is everywhere. Without fire, anyone cannot live. No life without fire. If fire goes from your this, you will at once die. But it is seen when it is with match, with the help of or anything, when a light will come. And after some time, if fuel is finished, it will not be seen. So Krishna, by practice, he can be seen. Our soul can be seen by practicing. Not always it will be seen in by mortal eyes, or it cannot be realized by mortal senses. Never. So by practice it can be seen. And jivas like
Body,
water.
water.
When water is condensed, then it becomes like snow, ice or snow, no? And it becomes so hard that if you will throw it, it will cause you
some
injuries. But by water, not like that. So water, when it is in natural position, when he is liberated, he is serving Krishna. But by chance, he has forgotten, then he comes in that condensed stage. And he will be thinking that I am this body, and all kinds of problems will be there. Quarreling and everything. And for Maya, in this world there are so many kinds of like pots made by earth. Some glass, some pots, some vessel, but all are with mud, with earth. No difference at all. But name is like by gold. A glass of gold, a garment of gold, a necklace of gold, a what?
Ring.
Ring.
Ring. Names are different, but all are like gold. So in this world, this. But Jatra Vinamayo Trisargo Amrisha, it seems that they are all true, but not true. These worlds. Sometimes when fire will come, then we will see and realize then it is true. Like when we will realize Krishna, then he is true. These souls are true, it is true. But this body, I am this body, this is not true. This is Vinimay. This is
Exchange.
exchange. But Dhamna Srain Sada Nirasta Kuhuko, where Krishna, there is no Maya at all. Only Jog Maya is there. Parashakti is there. Not this Maya who creates this world. And by the effect, we know that, I am this body. So if anyone is there, he cannot come to this world. Never. So all the jivas who are here, they have not forgotten there and they have come here. From originally, they are forgetting from the borderline. That is Tatastha. Jivar Swarup hai Nitya Krishna Das, Krishna Tatastha Shakti. So Swamiji has told, but we are not thinking deeply. So any jiv, tad jadgatva na nivaratam te tat dham paramam. If anyone with so much great austerity is practicing lakhs and lakhs birth, and he has gone to Golok Vrindavan, and where there is no Maya, there is no chance of forgetting Krishna. How a jiv can fall down from there? Never it is. All serving. Jog Maya, helping them to serve Krishna. So where Dhamna Swain, in his transcendental abode, where there is no Maya, only Hladani Shakti, Sandhani Shakti,
Chit Shakti.
Chit Shakti, all are there. All jivs are serving him. So Nirasta Kuhukam, No,
Maya is there.
no Maya there. Satyam Paramadhimai. So Krishna, Brajandanandan Shyam Sundar, he is Parama Satya. Extreme,
Truth.
true, Dhimai. I am meditating him. He should come and come in my heart. Like Brahma Gayatri. Bhurva Swastat Savitur Varannam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai. And Dhiyo Yonah. So here, this is the translation of that Brahma Gayatri. Same thing. This is also like a mantra. Second meaning, Janamadasya. Adi means Adi Rasa.
Original.
Original. And that is
Sringara.
Shingaras, Madhuras. It comes from Krishna, not from anyone. And all the meanings will be like that. Very good meaning, perfect meanings. All the meaning will be changed. Here Anna and Betirek meet separation and meeting. And Krishna is so perfect in this. And he, Tene Brahmahida. What he Tene? Adi Kabe. Here Sukdev Goswami Adi Kabe. Adi Kabe is his Sukdev Goswami. And that Krishna, ocean of Ras Krishna, from which Madhur Ras comes. Adi. And all rasas are including in Krishna. That is Rasa Brahma. He inspired in the heart of where?
Sukdev Goswami.
In Sukdev Goswami, he is the first Kavi. And Muyanta Jat Suraya, Brahma, Shankar, all in confusion. They cannot know like this. And Tejo Var Mridang. Here also some change of
Meaning.
here Tej means in Brahma Gayatri, as it has been told, Bhargo Devasya. Devasya Krishnasya. Krishna himself, Bharg. And Bharg means his power. So I am meditating the power of Krishna. Who is? Who is Srimati Radhika. Here also Tej. Tej means Bhargaha. Here. Power, potency. So he is praying to whom? To Radhika. The power of Krishna. Without this we cannot enter in that. Tejo Bar Mridang. Sometimes separation, sometimes neutral. Like this. But he is with Radhika. Radhasa Ransate Namaha. Always with Radhika and all gopis there. You know that slok in Brahma Sangita. What?
Chintamani Prakarasad Ananda
Chinmay Ras Pratibhavitavi Tabhirya Eva Nijarupataya Kalabi. Nijarupataya Kalabi. Like Krishna, transcendental, all the gopis. All are the Kaya view of Srimati Radhika. And Radhika is one with Krishna. So all are like Krishna, not less than Krishna. So Krishna is playing with them in Niji Vrindavan Dham. So Satyam Paramadhimahi. With Krishna, Srimati Radhika, we meditate. Another, more, that any ras cannot come without Radhika. So Radha and Krishna are conjugal. Janama Dasha. From this Madhur Ras comes. If Radhika is not there, Krishna alone, like a Nirvishesh Brahma, he cannot. No Ras at all. If he is with Sita, if it is with Lakshmi, even with Ras Satyabhama Rukmini, half Ras or 1/4 of Ras. No full Ras. If he will be with gopis and especially with Radhika, if all gopis are there present, but Radhika is not there, no Ras, no Ras. So he is praying to whom? Satyam Paramadhime, to Radhika. She should come and manifest. as in Brahma Gayatri. Tanno Dhiyo Noah Prachodayat. She should come. Srimati Radhika. Another more. What is that? So first came for Krishna, for this creations. Second, for Madhuras to Krishna, Bhajendanandan Krishna, then conjugal Radha and Krishna, and then only Radhika here. Because without power she cannot do. So for Radhika, and then fifth will come for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All will be, all meanings will be for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Satyam Paramadhimai, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Paramasatya, because he is conjugal, Radha and Krishna both. And he has come to do sweet all these things and to sprinkle his mercy for Rag Marga and to taste the beauty of modes of Radhika. So, Satyam Paramadhi, this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu should be
manifest in our heart.
So, by doing this,
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Adi Kavi and Rupa Goswami.
Here, Adi Kavi, who?
Rupa Goswami.
Or then Rupa Goswami, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself inspired in Prayag, all these things.
And Rupa Goswami wrote Ujjal.
And Rupa Goswami wrote Bhakti Rasami Sindhu, Ujjal, meaning Vidagdha Madhava, so many books, and he manifested our whole world. And now we are in this line. So you should think that you are so much fortunate to come in the line of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Always think this. And always be hopeful. And practice like this. So, he Satyam Paramadhimahi, and then he began to speak gradually. Dharmaha projyat kaitavo atra paramo nirmatsaranang satam vedyam vastavam atra vastu shivadam taptrayo numulanam Srimad Bhagavate Mahamuni krite kimba parairishvara sadde hridyavadudhyate Krishna. If you will hear Tatkana, what? At once Krishna will be controlled in your heart. So Srimad Bhagavat is so powerful and sweet, not like quinine, bitter. Medicine may be some bitter, but this medicine nectar. Not bitter, very like nectar. Nectar also not so much sweet, bitter some, but afterward it becomes sweet. But it is very sweet, very powerful. If you will hear, Krishna will come in your heart and will be controlled. So I will explain, and then I will speak so many sweet pastimes of Krishna. Today is 8 and some drama will be also come. So try to hear. Today it was somewhat philosophical, but I made easy. But even it was hard. So from tomorrow I will make more easy, that even male, female, everyone can hear all these things.
Naveen Prabhu wants to give class tomorrow morning.
He can give. At about 9:30, we will go to
School.
See school.
Yes.
And then we will return. And again in evening we will have our classes as usual. In morning also.
After we return from school, class will be here.
Oh, very good. Then after kirtan karada. Go on.
Yes.
And you should be ready at once, without delay. You should go. Kirtan.